How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to talk about scalars on matrix math or linear algebra, whatever you want to refer to it as. It just depends who's talking about it. But scalars, how do they work? Well, it's pretty simple, but also there's a few little nuances you should know about. So we're just going to go over them quickly today. Okay, so let's say we have a matrix. Oh, that's a big block. Let's not make it. Okay, hold on a second. Alrighty, let's say we have a matrix. We'll put it in this form. It's got some numbers in it: 7, a 9, an X, and I don't know, yes, that's a 9, and a 1. Now, what a scalar is it's a little number right beside it, usually in this area, or it could be in this area, and it just tells it how much to scale the matrix by. So if it's a 1, well, there's always a 1, so it would just equal the same thing. If it's a 2, every element is doubled, so this would equal 14, because 2 times 7 is 14, 2 times 9 is going to be 18, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times x is 2x. So there's that. Hit undo a bunch of times, and I want to show you another example. So this can be anything. It can be a 10, which will make it 10 times larger. This is often used in modeling to increase the size of your model. You can also shrink by using a number between 0 and 1. So if you use like a 0.5, this will half everything. You'll end up with 3.5, 4.5, of course, because 7 times 0.5 is 3.5, 5 times, or 0.5 times 9 is 0.5, and so on. And of course, x will now be x over 2, or x divided by 2. So there is no division here. If you want to divide, you just got to use a smaller value, something between 0 and 1. And that's pretty much all there is to scalars. So if you're ever putting a scalar on a matrix, this is how it works. You can increase it by a number 1 or higher. Well, higher than 1. 1 is going to be the same thing. And you can decrease it or effectively divide. There is really no divide here in matrix math, as we'll find out. The way to scale it down is by multiplying it by that smaller number between 0 and 1. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next episode, and keep it real. Take care of yourselves.